Alright, you guys. Well, I have a confession to make to you. I've been living a double life. And I don't want you guys to go through what I was going through, so I'm going to show you how American Detailer Garage can help you not live a double life. Take a look at this video and tell me if some of you are living the same life. Alright guys, we're going to need to clean up a little bit of the interior here. Just go through it, give this whole thing a nice clean up. Back's not too bad, just stuff laying around here. See, there's a lot of trash and debris all in here from the dogs. Let's get started on this, see what we can do. Alright guys, so did you like the video? I hope you did. If you did, hit that subscribe and like button. Also press the notifications bell so you get all the new videos we're putting out. Today, I wanted to clean my car. I feel like I live a double life. And tell me if you guys feel like this too. I always keep the exterior of my car clean. Everyone's like, oh, your car's always so clean and shiny, but nobody knows because they don't ride with me. On the inside, I've got all kinds of park grass from the dogs and dust and debris and trash and napkins everywhere. Oh my God, it's a mess in there. So I needed to clean it today. So what do? We used a compressor and some compressed air. We blew all the tops of the car, the seats, everything. We blew it all down. Then we vacuumed all the carpets and everywhere we vacuumed. We used this little Dyson guy since he's available to me right in my garage, and some different attachments for him. I also used the Metro Vacuum Blow because I didn't have the long attachment. It's in the house. And I just got under the seats with the Metro Vacuum Blow. Then everything was clean after that. I got all the carpets, all the seats, everything blown out. So I wanted to clean the door jambs, and that's where American Detailer Garage comes in. This is their Fusion, and I added Fusion into my off-brand Tornador. This is not a Tornador. This is a cheap one that you buy on Amazon. And don't ask me what it costs. I think about $39. And this thing has compressed air stuck to it. You can add a mix of liquid in here. You have an on-off valve for the liquid to shoot through, and this little thing spins around and it just blows mad tornado air at whatever you point it at, or mist out of that as well. So we use this on the door jambs with the Fusion from American Detailer Garage, and cleaned out all the door jambs. I wiped all the door jambs clean, got in there with a little brush and some parts and cleaned them really good. So excellent product, very versatile. Then I wiped down the rest of the car, the dash, the door panels with the American Detailer Garage Shield. This is their new interior surface protective coating. I get around 4 months out of this. It's really easy to use. You spray it on your towel, you wipe it in and set it and forget it. It's done. You don't need to mess with this. It's not going to make your car greasy. It's not going to overly shine it. You'll probably get a little bit of deeper satin look to it. Just, you won't even notice it really, but it's going to feel really good and it will be protected. So an excellent product from American Detailer Garage. I really like that product. A little goes a long way. And by the way, did you guys notice the floor mat where I was using the Tornador? The power of it compressed air, you know? The Tornador, fake Tornador, and my floor mat, driver's side, blowing all that dust out. And I'll show you what that looks like right here in the driveway, all the leftover dust. Unbelievable. All right, guys, this is crazy. Look at this. This is what I blew with the Tornador out of the floor mat. This is dust. Is that crazy? That was what's inside the floor mat. No, get out of that. Jeez. But isn't that wild? Oh my God. And I don't really think vacuums are gonna get that out. You could probably pressure wash all that out, but this thing just blows it all out. So pretty cool. 30-35 minutes cleaning the inside. Now I'm set to go another 3 months without having to do anything again. I hope you guys liked the video. Don't lead a double life. Clean the inside and the outside of your car. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.